Monroe and Morgan. The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a tornado warning for central Brown County until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Nashville, or 12 miles east of Bloomington, and moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Nashville, Helmsburg. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Brown County, Indiana.